Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got something really cool in the shop today. It's another offering from the Chesapeake Beard Company. So, there it is, Mercury. And yes, as you can see, that is the legend right there, Freddy on the label. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I thought of this one. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for staying past that intro. Now for you longtime viewers and you guys who found me for the very first time, check down below. Should be sitting right about there. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing and just knock subscribe out of the way now. It's going to make your life a whole heck of a lot better and you're going to feel wonderful for the rest of the day. Okay, now as I said, it is Mercury and this is Chesapeake Beard Company's tribute to Freddie Mercury. Now I know, you're sitting out there wondering the same thing that I am. If I use this product, could I sing like one of the most elite rock gods who have ever taken the stage? Dear God, no, it's beard oil, okay? But still. Now, if you didn't see the last video we did about Chesapeake Beard Co., go and take a look up top. Somewhere there's going to be a review of every single beard product that we've ever brought to the channel. It's going to be sitting in there. You might want to check that out because they're an awesome company. Now, a little bit of background. They are made in the USA out of Maryland. Seeing how most of my military career I was stationed on bases in Maryland, it feels good to be able to shop at home and get a great quality product. They are veteran-owned and operated, and I do believe that the owner currently works for FEMA helping people out. So that's really freaking awesome that he's continuing on his service. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below. Their web store is basically ChesapeakeBeardCo.com. And one of the things I loved about this company is no matter how huge they're going to grow, he always wants to have that small mom-and-pop feel. You know, he doesn't really want you to be able to walk into a big box store and just pull his product off the shelf. I can kind of understand that because it keeps that great homey feel to it, you know? I mean, I know there's some like, you know, Doritos or Fritos out there, you know, you just love and you grab them anywhere. But sometimes you just want that feeling of going into a mom and pop shop, be able to get their product and not have it mass produced everywhere. All right. Now, it does come in a 2-ounce amber bottle, and it does have, what I love, seriously, is the eyedroppers. Alright, they make life so much easier when you're trying to dispense crap. Hopefully you can see that. It does have a bit of a golden tinge to it. No biggie, it's just how the carrier oils interact with each other. You know, it does have a very medium hold on the oil. I should say medium weight. You know, it's not like runny out of your hands. And it's not like you're changing your car oil. It's that great mix of perfect, you know? Now, the cost on this, and yeah, I'll break down everything else in just a moment, all right, is $17.98. So, no big deal. It's kind of right in the middle if you think about what you pay for beard oil is normally anywhere between 10 to 20 bucks for a 1-ounce bottle. So, at a 2-ounce bottle at 18 bucks, it's pretty damn good. Now, it's got a really medium to like long-lasting scent strength. First time I wore it, it lasted about 6 hours. And the scent profile, which I really truly liked, was black cherry, bourbon, and vanilla. Now, when I got it, because it's like really freaking cold up here in the Pacific Northwest, that bourbon and the cherry just smacked you right in the face. Now that it's all warmed up, honestly, yeah, you can really pick out the cherry scents on it, no problem whatsoever. Now, it's got, you know, the usual ingredients, the jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and yeah, I'm checking out the notes down here, cherry kernel oil, abyssinium oil, whatever, ABYSSINIM, something like that oil, and essential fragrance blends. So, you know, it's not really over the top. It's not a punch you in the face kind of scent. It's really friggin' awesome. Now, like I said in the last one, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that too well. I love the fact he's got a bottled on date right there. That, I think, is just freaking unreal. And there's a better look at the label. Alright. So, with all that wonderful stuff being said, I'm going to keep this one kind of short, sweet, and simple. You guys know with beard oil, it's not so much for your beard, but it's for the skin underneath your beard. Because your body can only produce so much oil in order to help, maintain healthy, regular growth and all that wonderful stuff. You just put whatever amount you need right in your hand, rub it together, work it right into your beard, and comb it out. You really need to pay particular attention to the dead spots down there that everyone seems to overlook, because that just seems to be like the really stiffy, weird kind of stuff. Now, alright, with all that wonderful stuff being done, for you first-time viewers of my channel, wait, let me back it up. I want to know what you guys think. I just screwed the pooch on this one on the video. It's okay, I'm going to leave my mistake in there rather than reshoot the whole thing. I want to know what you guys think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything right down below. I want to hear it all. You guys know I'll get back with you, and that's part of the fun of having this channel, is you guys love leaving a bunch of great comments, and it's fun interacting with you guys. Because sometimes I learn just as much from you as some of you say you learn from me. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, see, now I'm getting there. Thanks so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you chose one of my videos, because I know on YouTube there's like seriously trillions upon trillions upon trillions of videos out there on every single subject. So it's nice you chose one of mine, and thank you for doing that. Now for you long-time guys and you first-time guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Right down there. You should be seeing a big old channel symbol. I mean, it's a lot bigger than that little watermark that's been popping out throughout the video. Go ahead and click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, go ahead and please destroy that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, good question. That's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every time my stupid ass uploads a video. And speaking of videos, two are going to be either popping up on that side of the screen or on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick, really honest look at Chesapeake Beard Co.'s Mercury. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.